Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana was launched on answer D. October 2, 2007, during which 5-year plan was phase of heavy industrialization initiated. Answer A. Second 5-year plan. With which country did India's Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement come into effect on August 1, 2011? Answer D. Japan. National Rural Health Mission was launched in answer C. April 2005. Planning Commission constituted a high-level committee for financial sector reform in August 2007 under the chairmanship of answer B. Raghuram G. Rajan. The midday meal scheme was launched on answer C. August 15, 1995. National Food for Work program aimed at intensifying the generation of supplementary wage employment was launched in answer C. November 2004. Ladli Lakshmi Yojana has been launched for supporting girls of all religious and castes up to their marriage by answer B. Madhya Pradesh government. Who gave the call for Evergreen Revolution? Answer A. M.S. Swaminathan. Who is responsible for establishing and maintaining a strong and efficient accounting and financial reporting system in India? Answer A. The Controller General of Accounts. The money order system in India was introduced in the year answer B. 1880. Government has merged Annapurna scheme with answer A. National Old Age Pension Scheme. Open market operation is a part of answer A. Credit creation. Security and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) was established on answer A. April 12, 1992. In the world in terms of railway network system, India ranks answer C. 4th. National Electricity Policy envisages elimination of power shortage by 2012 through addition of answer A. 50,000 megawatt. Income tax in India was introduced by answer B. James Wilson. The Ministry and Program Implementation as an independent ministry came into existence on answer A. October 15, 1999. In India, the term Black Revolution is associated with answer C. Self-dependence in the production of petroleum crude oil. For international money transfer with Indian Public Sector Bank has signed MOU with MoneyGram Company of America. Answer C. Punjab National Bank.